find a comprehensive list on our website, which includes all the details. Thanks to these contributions, the Peace Palace has become a monument for the world often. In 1911, the Ottoman Empire donated as its contribution to the Peace Palace an enormous hereke by the last emperor of China. The carpet adorns the room that serves, among others, as a meeting room for the Administrative Council of the Permanent Court of Arbitration and a hearing room for arbitration. However, all these gifts were not just meant to embellish the Peace Palace. They were also meant as an adornment of and commitment to an ideal. The gift to the Peace Palace is not a contribution to a collection of art and mementos. It signified and still signifies a dedication and commitment to the ideal for which the Peace Palace stands: peace through justice and the rule of law. It's the ideal which both the courts and the Academy that have their seat in the Peace Palace are dedicated to. It's an ideal and aspiration of people and many organizations all over the world. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Minister of Culture and Tourism of the Republic of Turkey for his constant perseverance in realizing the objective of restoration of the carpet, despite all the objections and obstacles that arose during the journey.
Sisters, ambassadors, Misak Efendi and Aristarchi Bey, who had worked respectively to deliver the Hereke carpet donated by Sultan Abdülhamid II. Hereke carpet is one of the most valuable pieces of the magnificent Turkish cultural heritage. It is the biggest of its kind outside Turkey. This carpet, besides representing a rich cultural heritage, was not only a support to the Peace Palace to show the aspiration for universal peace, but also was a visionary symbol for the historic ties between the Kingdom of the Netherlands and the Ottoman Empire. Official correspondence between the Ottoman ambassadors and the Carnegie Foundation in this process shed light on a very unique chapter of our history of diplomacy. Even during those most difficult times for the Ottoman Empire, that was a big effort to display support to peace.
Distinguished guests, please witness the unveiling of the restored Hereke carpet as the doors of the Japanese Hall are opened by the Ambassador and the President to invite the Minister and the Secretary General to first enter the room.
Gerçekten bak yine aynısı. Sayın Bakanım, fotoğrafınızı
Mr. Minister Mehmet Nuri Ersoy, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Turkey was one of 26 states to send envoys to the first Hague Peace Conference in 1899. More than 125 years ago, delegates of these states, animated by a strong desire to work for the maintenance of general peace and desirous of extending the empire of law, and of strengthening the appreciation of international justice, established a permanent court of arbitration with the object of facilitating an immediate recourse.
Distinguished deputy ministers, esteemed ambassadors, and dear guests, I greet you all with respect. As of 2024, we have celebrated the 100th anniversary of the signing of the Treaty of Friendship between Turkey and the Netherlands. With the arrival of 2025, we embark on a new era that I believe will extend into many more centuries to come. On the occasion of this meaningful partnership, I extend my best wishes for the new year, hoping each year will further strengthen the friendship and cooperation between our countries. By division attempts on the basis of culture, belief, and geography. Distinguished guests, the Hereke carpet, which brings us together today and symbolize the 412 years of history I have briefly mentioned, is an exceptional cultural artifact gifted to the Peace Palace in 1911. Let me remind you that Turkish clims and carpets with their weaving techniques, motifs, and colors are similar to letters that reflect the emotions, thoughts, perceptions, interpretation, and value of the Turkish people.
Sizler? Evet. Zahmet
Neyi göz yapalım böyle? Geçin.
Adalet It's also represented. And this slide is for justice.
Burada hem Osmanlı lalesinde Hollanda lalesini birlikte olsun.
For both of us.
Sizin talimatınızda böyle bir yazmak.
May I in return offer you a copy of the letter by which the original tapestry was offered to the Peace Palace. This is one copy, and I have another one for Ambassador. I have done likewise because I know we have to return these official gifts, so as a personal remembrance of the Peace Palace for you. Very much.
Sorry, here please. Thank you very much. Oh ja? Ik wou een half Geurtjes. Ja.